Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take a lace tablecloth and make it into a dress or a poncho. It's so easy to do. This is what it looks like when it's all done. So the first thing you're going to do is just lay out your tablecloth folded in half. And you have a nice fold along the top here. All we have to do is cut a neck hole out of this middle part here. So you can also just fold this over, and that will show you where the middle of the tablecloth is. And because it's lace, it usually will have some sort of pattern or something that you can remember. So now when you unfold it, you just know that that's the center. So now all we have to do is cut a neck hole here. And you want to cut it small at first, and you can make it bigger if you need to. I'm just going to go in with my scissors. It's kind of scary, but we're just going to do it. And just cut a shallow oval shape out right here. So that's the shape it looks like. Now this is all you really have to do, and you can trim these little pieces off so that it looks kind of finished. And you don't want to cut too much off because we don't want to make it too big. And now we're going to try it on and see what that looks like. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. That was so easy. All we did was cut out this little piece of lace at the collar, and we have this beautiful dress poncho. It's so pretty. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. Just a tank top and bike shorts underneath, and you have this really cool outfit. I cannot wait to wear this. Yeah. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.